Myranda Love in the Art of Attracting High-Ticket Coaching Clients on LinkedIn Facebook group. Welcome. Glad to see you here. So here we are on May 15th of 2019, and I don't know about you, but most of the coaches that I speak with, they had big goals for 2019. They're like, yes, this is going to be the year. But it seems like something has not clicked yet. They are some of them had like a good January, but then February, March, and April was nothing at all. And so they're pretty far off still from their 2019 goals. So let's talk about that for a minute and really find out what is it that is wrong, if you're not on your track right now to be hitting your goals. So for example, if your goal was to make let's say 500,000 this year in your business. So, per month, be a multiple six-figure business. So per month, that would put you at $41,000, which is definitely doable with the right system and the right plan. But if you haven't been consistently hitting that, then you've got to play some catch up if you're still thinking realistically that you're going to be to 500,000 by the end of this year, or just 1,000. If you're 100,000 is your goal, just to have that initial six figures. If that was your goal for this year with your coaching business, then you should have been doing. I'm pulling up my calculator. Yeah, and you're like, Miranda, you should know that math, but you should be doing. Already, you need to be already well on that way. So I know that 10 is 120, so divided by 12, and then now you've only got, so you needed to be doing at least $8,333 every month if you wanted to be at least $100,000 in your coaching business this year, which is totally doable. Easily $10,000 a month. But if you haven't been hitting that, then you're losing money. You're losing. So that's $10,000. 1, 2, 3. I got my money here. I'm counting out for you. 1, 2, 3. 2,000, 4,000, 6,000. $7,000, $8,000 that you've been missing out on. If you're not there, then how are you? If you keep doing the same thing, then how are you planning to get there? Is just really what it is what I really want to talk about today and get right down to it. And so number one, I'm going to be talking about your goals. Where are you? Are you on track? Number two, I'm going to be talking about your methods. What are you doing right now? What is your plan to get you there? You know that you got to change something. And number three, we're going to talk about why now's the time for you to do something about it if you want to still hit those goals this year, or just hit your goals in general. Why now is the time? Honestly, the time is now because your people who need your help are out there. They need help. They're finding other people who are not as good as what it is that you do, and they're getting them to help them, or they're staying in their pain and suffering for too long. So the time is now, because you need to get out there and start helping them and serving them and doing the work that you were born to do now. So if your goal was $100,000 this year, and you have not been consistently doing $10,000 months, then what are you planning to change? What's going to change? Type in the comments right now. Let me know what it is that you welcome. Welcome those of you who are just talking about, let me know, are you on track for your goals? Did you have some aggressive year-end goals, or maybe just normal goals? Where are you in that journey of reaching them? And if let me know what you've been doing right now. I know some of these people who popped on, I've seen them in other things. They're probably using a little bit of some Facebook groups, maybe have tried something on LinkedIn, but haven't figured it out, haven't cracked the code there, not sure what to do. It didn't turn into instant cash. So they're like, whoa. But they're also trying Facebook ads. I know some of these I've been in some different programs with, and everybody teaches Facebook ads to Facebook groups and to webinars and things like that. So post in the comment what you've been doing. Networking. Have you been a part of a networking group? Is that what you're doing? Are you getting certified? Have you been working behind the scenes with building funnels? But That's the client I spoke to today. They have been working for a year and a half building some online websites and a lot of content, and now they pulled the trigger. They're out of money. They don't have any money to market it, and they don't know how to market it. So are you there? I understand if you're there, but if you had some big goals, and you wanted to do, let's say, $25,000 a month in your coaching business, and you're not there, then what's your plan B? What's your plan B? Now's the time. This is our reality check right now. That's why I am spending this time here with you, just for a reality check. Your way is not working. Your way is not working. The good news is I do have a way to help true business experts and professional experts, a way that's working right now for high ticket coaches to attract and enroll their dream targeted clients from LinkedIn, using a simple method that I have developed for the Ninja Growth System for actually helping clients position themselves in a high ticket way. And in a program, they'll do that, making $25,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month with no advertising, using our strategies on LinkedIn. And it takes 15 minutes or so a day to press some buttons, but we also help you to be able to fulfill your services in an online group mastermind. So that way you're able to make $5,000 to $10,000 per client as well, and leverage your time, leverage your expertise. Leverage your expertise is what it is that we love to help you do. And what my business coach accelerator, my 8-week business coach accelerator, is designed specifically to help you do that, to get your clarity around your high ticket offer and your program and your pricing and your mind right with, hey, I can do this. I can make multiple six figures this year selling my expertise. I am a coach that is in high demand. It is safe and okay for me to make multiple six figures this year by selling my expertise. People want me, and help you position that offer in a way that really will sell. Well, I'll use my expertise and 25 years of experience helping businesses grow and knowing what will sell, 10 years in online marketing as an online entrepreneur and an online marketer, and in this expert space. And I will help you create an offer that will sell. And then we're ready to go to the market. After that, what we do with you in our Business Coach Accelerator is phase 2, where we start. It's our the growth phase, and this is where we're going to go ahead and start implementing our Ninja Growth System to help you with your targeted messages and start growing you by 1,500 or so on LinkedIn, targeted leads and connections on LinkedIn every month. And that is where we'll help you from there. And we'll also help you be able to dial in your sales calls, because we can have people be booking in that initial stages 2 to 5 enrollment calls, sales calls with you per week from LinkedIn. But if you're not good at selling authentically and you're not getting any deals, then you're not helping anybody. So we got to help you with that. And then we also help you in phase 3 is the authority phase. And that's where I give you a script and help you with your webinar and create one piece of killer content like I have at my web class that it will help you create that as well, position what it is that you do, you as the authority, using my authority formula, and we'll help you slide by slide with it. We'll help you record it and automate it. What should you call these points? What should you say here? What should you say on this slide? Is this landing? Is this resonating? I will help you with that. We will help you with it, and you'll get my script and my expertise. And what's great about it is that webinar, I actually did my webinar once whenever I launched my business 2 years ago, and I've been constantly driving new targeted traffic to it from LinkedIn. So the people that I invite, there's 1,000 new connections every month that I get. I'm constantly inviting them to my web class, and that webinar, it starts automatically on the top every 15 minutes. So it's new to them, and that's how I'm constantly getting, how we help you constantly get anywhere between 8 to 12 sales calls booked just from that one LinkedIn funnel every week, and then help you enroll those clients as well. Welcome, Jodine. Good to see you here. We were just checking to see if you are on track for your goals. I know we had spoken at the end of last year, and I don't know what your goals specifically were for this year off the top of my head, but what were your goals for this year, Jodine? If you want to type in the comment and let me know, what were your goals for 2019, and are you on track for hitting them? And do you, if not, what are you currently doing and what's not working. So let's figure those things out. And now is the time to get these things figured out, just simply because there's no way, if you don't make some changes, if you haven't been hitting your goals, there's no way you're going to hit them in 2019. And, you need to get out there and really help those experts who need your help and start living the life that you want to help now as well. And for those of you who have been on the fence with asking for my help, or with helping, or have already even spoken to us and you've been on the fence and haven't, wanted to pull the trigger for whatever reason yet on joining my 8-week Business Coach Accelerator program, listen up. The time is now. My birthday is happening next week, and I am actually, for my birthday, increasing the price. So you will never be able to get it for as low of an investment as it is right now. It's extremely affordable. It's important to me that the experts who need it are able to get this help and able to get my level of mentorship and to get out there so they can be positioned to be helping the people that they need to be helping. So the time is now. If you have been thinking or wanted to speak with us or spoken to us before, the investment is definitely increasing, and we want to get you in. If you want to get in, it's fine with me. If you want to wait and keep on the fence, and what's worse than that is not even, the extra $1,000 or so that that you'd be paying me. I'll take that later if you want to, no problem. But what's worse about it is the $10,000 and $20,000 that you'll be missing out on during those months that you're waiting and on the fence and not sure. So that's why now is the time. It's the $20,000 a month that you're missing out on. The $20,000, $25,000 that you've missed out on in January, February, March, April, May already. If something doesn't change, I mean, that's $125,000 that you missed out on this month already from not having this year to date already, from not having this system in place. So if that's not what you're on track to do, $300-something thousand this year, and you want to be, then we need to talk. We need to do something now. So let's do talk. What you can do is actually, my calendar is slap full. I don't have any spots right this second until next week, but I am. So go to ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth and book a time. See what times are available. There should be some for next week, and check out some of the testimonials that I have there for you and some of the case studies on that page as well. Go there now, though, and grab a time to speak with us. And what we'll do is, if you book that appointment between now and the time that it goes up for my birthday next Tuesday, I've really only got 2 spots, I think, left on Monday to speak to somebody to get in at this last price, this lowest investment ever, because the price is going up for my birthday, celebrating that way. But really, because it's time for you, the reason why I'm doing that is to put you into action, because I want for you to get off the pot, move forward, and start making the impact and income that you're supposed to make, helping the people that you're supposed to make with your gifts, because that's what I'm all about here, and what the Business Coach Accelerator is all about. So do go there now, because if you want my help and you want to speak with me about this, about your business, about your strategy, can you achieve your goals? Can we even help you? I don't know. We need to talk about that and find out if our solution is even a viable solution, if we'd be a good fit together, if this will work for you. So if LinkedIn has been curious for you, or you're wanting, that your way isn't working, you're far off from reaching your goals right now, or you have been reaching them, but you've been hustling and doing a lot of paid advertising and you haven't had anything consistent, and you want a consistent pipeline of targeted leads and connections and a way to enroll those into your high ticket program, listen up. The time is now. The time is now. This is absolutely for you. Go to ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth and grab one of those last 2 spots and book a time to speak with me. Again, that's ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth, and we will talk soon. Bye. Talk soon. Don't wait on this.